Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the process of setting up our inventory using BillingProbe. This video is divided into two main sections. The first caters to both individuals with single and multiple warehouses, branches, and locations. The second section is exclusively for those managing multiple warehouses. Firstly, we'll cover inventory setup tasks such as defining categories, adding updating items, managing purchases, either manually or through imports, making quantity adjustments, and finally, conducting a regular stock counts if needed. Secondly, we'll cover things related to inventory transfers across your multiple warehouses, branches, and locations. To start, we must first set up our categories, as they serve as a foundation for other dependencies that I will explain later. To begin, we need to set up our categories. Just navigate to the Settings tab and then click on the Categories tab. To set up your category, head to the Actions and click on Add Categories. This will lead you to the category input form. In this form, please note that fields marked with a star are mandatory and must have values entered. Ensure you fill in the necessary details. Now, let's say I want to add a category named Jeans with the parent category set to default. For this scenario, I am designating default as the parent category for items intended for sale in the store, such as jeans and t-shirt. Meanwhile, I am assigning the home category for items not meant for sale but for internal use, like threads and sewing machine. Now let's add a category named t-shirt with a unique category code set to t-shirt. It is important to note that if we are importing things with Excel or CSV, we will be using the category code as identifier. So you must be very careful with the category codes. For simplicity in this scenario, I am entering t-shirt as the category code, same as category name. This ensures less confusion when we work with the product import section. Now let's enter a description if you wish. For now, I'll leave it blank, using a hyphen as a placeholder here. The parent category is set to default by default, so there's no need to make any change there. Simply click on the Add Category button. Awesome! The t-shirt category has been successfully added. Now let's explore how to import categories by Excel or CSV. Just head to the Actions and click on Import Categories. Here a pop-up will appear containing a sample file. We have to edit this file accordingly for our import. Let's open that file. Here you will see headers having category code, name, slug, image, parent category code, and description. Please note that the category code should be unique and not repeat any previously added category from the system or this file. Now let me add some data here so I can explain things more easily as we proceed. Great, here I had added some categories for demonstration like jeans, shirts, Curtis, and pants. Here you'll notice the slug section is empty and the image is set to no_image. Ping as the default. I'm also keeping the description tab empty by entering a hyphen there. Please note, if you wish to add images to the imported categories, you can do so by editing those categories later. Before saving this file, please ensure that the data format is correct and matches the sample file provided. Now ensure that we save this file as a .csv extension, comma-delimited CSV file, which is the required format for all imports within BillingProbe system. Go to the Save As section and select the format accordingly. Here, I am using comma-delimited CSV. Now let's head to the BillingProbe and import the categories by selecting the appropriate file that we had just edited. Once you've selected your file, simply click on the Import button and witness the magic. Awesome! All your categories have been imported successfully. As already discussed, if you want to add an image for the imported categories, just head to the category and click on the pencil icon and browse your category image. Before selecting, please ensure it is not bigger than 500 by 500 pixels. As lower the size, faster would be the loading time. Great! We are done with our category import process.